Okay, welcome back to another video. It's been a while since I don't upload a video, but I'm planning to do more videos this week. A quick video today is gonna be about the Steam Deck. So there's a lot of hype online about the Steam Deck, and of course, first customer is gonna receive it the 25th of this month. But I think it's a great hardware. Hopefully, we can get our hands on it and we can test it. So far, you can go online and watch Linus YouTube channel or any other channel. They have plenty of them. But the good news about the Steam Deck today is Valve released the CAD file for the Steam Deck, meaning that you can download the file, launch it with any software, 3D software that you have, and you can do any kind of modification. The cool thing about it is you can create accessories for it very easy with these files now. What I'm going to show you in this video is how to find the file, how to download it, open an app that you can modify it, and then launch it on the software, the 3D printing software, if you want to print it out and test it for yourself. I mean, at least the feel of the Steam Deck. Okay, so really quick, what we're gonna do here is we're gonna go to this website, which is gonna be on the link in the description of this video. And once you're here, you go ahead and download the zip file. Okay, well, once you download that file, you're gonna go to your folders, and then you should see it here, Hardware Master. You're gonna open that folder, and you're gonna have a few files here. The first one is gonna be the STP, and this one is the one you need to for your 3D rendering software. So we can click on that and it's gonna open. I have it open already. So in my case, I use 3D Sharp. It's a very useful 3D software if you want to design things like a box or a GPU box or those kind of things. More like mechanical things, small parts. It's very useful because you can then export it in via augmented reality, or you can export it as STL for printing. Very useful. So from here, you can do a bunch of cool stuff. Like you can click everything. For example, you can go here, do extruction, you can go up, you can go down, multiple things. This file has a bunch of things that they created, so you can go per button, you can do sketches, you can draw the screen, you can do crazy stuff. I'm doing nothing here just to show you that you can modify the file. Okay, so based on this, then you can work around it and then create accessories for it. Like for example, a cool accessory will be creating like a deck when you can put this like a switch. You could put in there and then it will connect as a computer. Something like that will be cool to have it. So once you have the file, the good thing about it is you can, let me make these changes back. Okay, that's how the file it is. Now a cool thing about it is you can, from here, if you're using this software, you can export it has a AR version. Now the good thing, look at how many files you can export it, like a drawing. You can do crazy things with this. The cool thing I like, it's augmented reality. So you can see it from your phone. If you have an iPhone, you can export the file, put it on your phone, and right away you have the Steam Deck in front of you, so you can see it in real time. So after doing that, the next file we're gonna take a look at it is the Steam Deck STL. STL is the file you're gonna need if you want to 3D printer this thing. In my case, I have a Magician X 3D printer, pretty good one, but I got a problem with that. The file, it may be too big. So this is my bed. That's the bed where my 3D printer can print things, and it's limited on the size, and I think the Steam Deck is bigger than my bed. But what I'm gonna do here is really quick. I'm gonna launch the file, Steam Deck, and as you can see, it's already big. It's too big already. So what I'm gonna do, first of all, I'm gonna move it to the bed. And as you can see here, it's huge. It's huge. It's not gonna fit inside my bed. So what I'm gonna do, just because I want to 3D printer, for example, we're gonna go to sizes, and then we're gonna do 80%. Now, when we do 80%, it should fit. Now, let's do even smaller, 70%. Once it gets yellow, it means that the file can fit into your design. Go back to the moving tool, and then here we got the Steam Deck all ready for B-print. Now the next step, I already have configured my 3D printer here. Settings will change depending on your 3D printer. So in my case, already set up everything. I just do a slice, and it's gonna tell you how long it's gonna take for your printer. In my case, I have using a 0.4 millimeter nozzle, and it can take longer. So it's slicing the file, make sure that everything is set up properly for 3D printer. And as you can see here, I'm using, in order to print this, it's gonna take 12 hours, 14 minutes, and it's gonna use 169 grams of my 3D printer filament. Okay, you can save it directly to your disk, put them on your printer, and print them from there. The good thing about this software, which is most people use it for 3D printing, is on the preview side. Once you go to preview, you will see here how this is gonna be to the printer. You see the supports and you see all the layers. The cool things about it, if you get closer, you can go here, and then if you go down, you see how the printer is gonna work at every step. Very interesting. So you see first it prints the bed, then it starts printing the parts, and then goes up, and you see how cool it is. That's how actually it's gonna be printed on your 3D printer. And then, boom, it finished. Okay, so that's pretty much it. You can download the file right now. You can download the file right now, take a look at it, play with it, and see what cool things you can do with this Steam Deck 3D printer file.